It's a big one.
Just let him run, man.
We got a big pike, guys. Look at that thing. You got it, man. This pike smashed right away, eh?
Yeah, I took my little whitefish hook.
Oh, whitefish hook.
Yeah, I got my whitefish hook on. I took my... Hopefully it doesn't take
Ah.
that off because I think you took the whole thing.
Oh, we got it. Take your time, man. My heart's shaking if you can land this thing. You got it. Come on, Junior. Holy cow, eh? That's kind of scary, huh? Why fish it up in this monster pike?
Yeah, man.
Thanks. Come on, Tony. Yeah, come here. It's a monster here. No, he's still fighting.
He seen me and he got scared.
Oh, he's there already?
Yeah, I seen him. We seen him in the hole and then he just disappeared again.
Yeah, yeah. That's big.
I'm not sure how big it is.
A little bit.
30 inches. I got my ultralight. I got my whitefish hook on. Nice. We seen him come in and grab it.
Oh, he's
wrapped in half an hour.
yeah, you should.
Half an hour to get him. Is he actually wrapped in?
Even saying it softly with no words. You whisper with your eyes. I'm waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. Give it enough. Give it enough. No, I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love. Show me your love, baby. Show me your love. 'Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely. We don't have to be hurting, 'cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I've waited till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time.
Right on, Junior. He took over right there. First pike of the day, eh? It's not bad. Okay, good job. We gonna catch more, eh? Stay tuned, guys. We gonna catch more. See ya.
Don't you feel the same? Don't you feel the same? 'Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely. We don't have to be hurting, 'cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be so.
Tell me what you're